You're welcome, guys. So this is an onboarding video that explains how to get started in trading synthetic indices. So I'm going to be showing you how to access synthetic indices charts on your TradingView, and I'm also going to show you how to search for different assets that you can analyze on. So the first thing you're going to do if you want to access synthetic indices on your TradingView, all you need to go is to go to your browser. It can be Chrome or anything. Then you go and search for chart.deriv.com. So this is the platform that you are going to search, and then you will see you are going to get access to this interface. So the first thing you are going to see is this interface once you click on the link. So in order for you to access different assets, all you need to do is to click on this button here. When you tap on it, it's going to show you something like this. All you need to do is to clean this asset you are seeing here. This is volatility 50 index. You just need to clean it up, then bring down your keypad. So you are going to see different assets that you can trade on. So the first thing you're going to see, you'll see forex, you see stock, you see commodity, you see Deriv and crypto. So you have to be on Deriv. You have to be on Deriv interface. So you're going to see all the assets, jump indices, crash and boom, step indices, volatility. So let's say, for example, now I want to trade a volatility 50 index. So you just need to click on it, and then when you click on it, you have access to the chart. So any drawings that you do on your chart, unlike your normal TradingView that save your analysis automatically, on TradingView binary on Deriv, you have to be saving them manually. So when you do anything, you are going to see this short icon here. You see save. All you need to do is to click on it, save, and the first time you are going to be saving it, if you click on it, it will tell you to name it, and after you name it, this is what, if you want to see access that same chart, all you need to do is to click on this open layout. So this will show you what you have saved, and then you click on it and it's going to open the asset that you have saved. So let's say you want to take a buy. You just need to bring out this tool here. If you check this side, you are going to see all the tools you can use. You can see the trend line tools. You can see the Fibonacci tool, the buy and long tools. So once you click on it, let's say I want to long now. I'll click on this long, then I'll tap it where I want to enter from. I'll tap it there, I'll set my stop loss, then I'll drag it up to wherever I'm targeting. So this way you are going to see your risk to reward. You are going to, if you tap on this thing, you are going to see that your risk to reward is, you are risking one to get 4.63. so this is how to access Deriv on TradingView. So based on your risk to reward, whenever you are taking any trade, always make sure that you have a good risk to reward. Let's say you are risking one, this is what you are risking, from year to year is what you are risking, then anywhere that you drag this into is where you want to use as your take profit. So let's say if this is your entry, this is your stop loss, and this is your take profit. So if you are in my signal group, let's say for example now I drop a signal and I say enter into this trade now, and you see something like this, and I say this is your entry. I said this is entry, and I say this is SL means stop loss. SL means stop loss. That's a short form for SL, and then TP means take profit. So you have to know all this terminology in the trading space. So whenever you see SL means stop loss, which is this is your stop loss. Then TP means take profit, and then entry means where you're entering the trade from. So you need to understand all these things. So whenever you are in a signal group and then you see something like this, you know immediately that this is what they are trying to explain. So that they are telling you to enter, they are telling you to set your stop loss. So all this number here, they are very very important. Let's say they drop a number that, and they say enter from here, enter from 8958. All you need to do is to tap on your screen like this. If you tap on your screen this way, you see all these numbers here, they are very very important. All these are numbers. Okay, let's say I want to enter from you see, as I'm moving this my screen, this black indication here is moving, and telling you the current number it is. So let's say I drop the particular number on the signal group. All you need to do is you just trace the number. Then when you get the number, you mark it out. That is where you are going to put your entry. Okay, let's say I said this 89.7838 is your entry. All you need to do is to drag this. You should drag this in there. That is where you want to enter from. And then the stop loss, you also trace the stop loss, and then same thing with the TP. So once you get that right, then you are going to get the correct entry and setup. So I'm going to also explain to you in the next video how to place trade on your MT5. So whenever you get a signal from my signal group, and I'll show you how to place the trade the right way, how to know what you are risking. So like I said, your risk reward is always very important. So anything you are risking, you must make sure that if you are risking this, you must be able to get to target like at least 2 times what you are risking. So that's how it works. So on the next video, I'll be explaining how to place trades on MT5. So make sure you download your MT5 so that we can do it step by step together.